Water! It's the drink you can wash in and float on and swim through, and it can make a million drinks too. It's part of thousands of foods, and you'll find it in paper and woods and paints. Water can be made into other things too. Powerful hot steam and freezing cold ice. It's the basis of all plant and human life too. I mean, even you are 80% water. Water is phenomenal, and we mustn't waste a drop. It takes a lot of clever processes to get it into our taps. We need to collect it, clean it in filter beds, and importantly, pump it! And that's what this building is all about. It pumps pure, clean water. This museum holds a lot of things to do with pumping water, but the biggest things are over there to your right and left. Can you guess what they are? They're engines! Massive, gigantic engines. The one on the left is named Sir William Prescott, after the chairman of the Water Board, and the other one is called Lady Bessie, after his wife. They're both 19 metres tall. The engines, not Sir William and his wife. And that's the height of 5.5 elephants. The engines weigh 1,000 tonnes, or 200 elephants each. They are steam-powered water pumps. They're called triples, and the one on the left is the biggest of its kind in the world still working. Between them, they use steam to pump over 172 million litres a day to the water distribution works in North London. It would take a herd of 2.5 million elephants to suck up and blow out the same amount. The triples work a bit like car engines, or rather 6,300 car engines. The triples have a capacity of 9,500 litres each. They have pistons, which are can-shaped things that move up and down inside tall cylinders. You can see the engine is divided into 3 sections, the left, the centre and the right, to house these cylinders. Steam is heated in a boiler in the building next door and is piped into the first cylinder, the one nearest the back wall, and pushes the piston inside down. Then a valve opens and the steam pushes the piston up. After this, the steam still has a lot of pressure, so it's sent to the other 2 cylinders to push their pistons up and down too. This makes the engine crankshaft go round. On this crankshaft are those 2 huge flywheels, which keeps the engine moving at a constant speed. But how would all of this pump water around London? As the crankshaft goes round and pistons go up and down, they drive huge pumps at the bottom of the engine, a bit like bicycle pumps, but much bigger. The pumps would suck in water from the filter beds outside, you can see them from the windows behind the engine, and pump the water up to large underground tanks to the north of London so that other pumps can send the water onto our taps. Listen to our other podcasts to find out more.